Today we're going to be talking about Shiba Inu Coin, why it's up so much, and whether or not it can continue to run. Let's get straight into this video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach and welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get into this video, I'd like to ask you guys to please leave a comment of how many Shiba Inu Coin you have, how many you want to have, and also consider leaving a like and subscribe as it really helps with growth of the channel. And if you guys are interested in investing in different stocks, then go ahead and get signed up with Public, the social investing app. You're going to be able to see our public stock portfolio, why we buy and sell stocks, and much more. So if you guys want to do that, go ahead and deposit $1 on the platform and you're going to get a free stock worth up to $70. So do that now. It is going to be the first link in the description, and once you go there and follow us at It's Finance Bro, you're going to be able to see this. We talk about different concepts in finance, as well as, showing what we invest in, showing what we sell, how long we're invested in it, and then also how much percentage we made. And then also you're going to be able to see our portfolio, long-term portfolio, and watch list. So if all this sounds good to you, go ahead and get signed up with the first link in the description. With all that being said, let's get into our crypto for today, which is going to be Shiba Inu Coin. Before we get into the rest of the breakdown of Shiba Inu Coin, I would like to go over how much it's trending or its social activity with StockTwits and LunarCrush. These are two websites where you're going to be able to check on StockTwits both the trendingness of both stocks and cryptocurrencies, and then also on LunarCrush basically just altcoins. But I want to go over both of these because it really shows how much this crypto is trending and how much it can continue to run. So Shiba Inu Coin is trending number 2 on a weekday. Nonetheless, whenever a cryptocurrency is trending on a weekday, you can pretty much expect it to be tanking a ton or going up a ton. And in Shiba Inu Coin's case, it is going up a ton, up 28% on the day. Shiba Inu Coin just 10 minutes ago was at number 7, so it is climbing the trending ranks very quickly. I wouldn't be surprised if by the time this came out, Shiba Inu Coin was trending number 1 on StockTwits. Not only that, but they are also the number 1 most active cryptocurrency or stock on the platform. And then also they are the number 1 added to watch list by a wide margin in the last 24 hours on StockTwits. Now if we do come over here to LunarCrush, you're going to be able to see that Shib is trending number 1 on LunarCrush, which is basically able to track anything except for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Actually, Ethereum might be able to be tracked on here too, but it's pretty much tracking altcoins, which basically means anything other than Bitcoin. Now, if we click on Shiba Inu Coin, because they're trending number 1, we can come over here and see that these social metrics are all green. Whenever all of these are pretty much green, you can pretty much expect for the cryptocurrency to be going up, as it's kind of able to show you how much, say, social volume up 185%. Basically, it's being talked about more online. Now if we do come over here to see this blue line on the graph is basically showing how much it's being talked about. Whenever it starts to go up, so does the price mostly. But as you can see, we have had some peaks and troughs, and whenever the blue line peaks, it's kind of, the price has also peaked shortly thereafter. Well, we are starting a new peak on this social volume, yet the price hasn't gone up yet. So we can definitely be seeing this price go up even more than the 28% that it's already up on the day. But yeah, these graphs are extremely good for Shiba Inu Coin, for the rest of the day and the rest of the week. Now we can come here for our article on the day, which is going to be from the motleyfool.com. And obviously the Motley Fool isn't the best source. A lot of people do not like the Motley Fool. However, they did give a good breakdown on kind of what's going on at the moment. So we are going to be using the article, but I'm definitely going to be using my skeptical goggles. So don't worry, I'm not just going to agree with everything this article says, because it actually does kind of crap on Shiba Inu Coin a little bit. But anyways, let's get into this article for today. So why Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Shiba Inu are all skyrocketing today. So we are going to be going over a little bit of a macro thing in the cryptocurrency space right now. So basically Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Shiba Inu Coin are all up 9, 8, and 26% in the last 24 hours. They are now trading at $54,622 and then 4 zeros followed by 23 apiece respectively. Yesterday, US Bank, the 5th largest retail bank in the country with 8 trillion assets under management, announced it would offer cryptocurrency custody service service to investment and fund managers. They'll be able to store their private keys, unique passcodes to Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin to their wallets safely with U.S. banks. So this is one of the first banks or big banks to basically start accepting cryptocurrency custody service. Now this could be followed by a ton more people, but that is why Bitcoin and like basically the whole cryptocurrency market is up in general right now. As for Shib, as we've been talking about over the past couple of days, Tesla CEO Elon Musk tweeted a picture of his Shiba Inu dog on top of his Tesla car 3 days ago. Musk had previously promoted meme currencies, and even though the tweet wasn't directly related to Shib, there's expectation that Musk will tweet about Shib in the future. That was enough to send the coin up 220% in the last 7 days. Now we know as Shiba Inu Coin investors that this is not the only thing that actually triggered this rise in price. Actually, I think it's mostly speculation about getting listed on Robinhood, and then also big whales getting into this. So those were the three catalysts. Obviously, Elon Musk tweeting that helped out a lot, but really it was the big whales getting in, Elon Musk doing this, and then also the speculation around getting listed on Robinhood that is sending Shib so high. The Motley Fool then goes on to be kind of skeptical about Shiba Inu Coin, and the reason I wanted to bring up this is because we never really talk about the macro crypto markets, but the crypto markets are just experiencing euphoria right now, and since Shiba Inu Coin is a smaller cap cryptocurrency, that is why they're experiencing kind of more gains than say Bitcoin. Bitcoin up 9% is absolutely insane, but Shiba Inu Coin being up 27% is purely because there's just a lot less money in it, so it's easier to make the cryptocurrency move. Okay, now let's come over here to coinmarketcap.com to kind of talk about the macro crypto markets and then also Shiba Inu Coin at the end. So basically, the global crypto market is up to 2.31 trillion, a 5% increase over the last day, which is absolutely insane. Crypto has just been ripping as of recent. Bitcoin being up 32% in the last 7 days, up 8% today. Ethereum up 27% in the last 7 days, 4% today. Basically, the whole crypto market is going insane. Shiba Inu Coin is now up to the 21st biggest cryptocurrency on the market. It hasn't been this since that initial rise in last May. Basically, we're at a $9 billion market cap now, and we went from all the way from ranked 50th to 20th in the past basically week. But yeah, obviously, after this really good news came out for the whole crypto market as a whole, obviously they went from about that 18 level all the way to the 23 level, and now we're seeing a bit of a interim resistance at the 24 level. Now we have obviously held this support really well at this 20 level. If you are invested in Shiba Inu Coin right now, you are seeing massive fluctuations in price. Really quickly, I do want to check historical data. Just to mention, we used to be trading about 200 to 300 million in volume, but now in the last day we have been doing $5 billion in volume and now $9 billion in volume, and even today we are up again to $12 billion in volume. Now, one thing that I would like to kind of make note of, when we saw this initial run up, the volume was at initially around trading around 20 to 40 million a day. All of a sudden it started doing 6 billion a day, and then obviously it peaked out at 19 billion. Now, it was doing 6 billion for about 3 days, and this is just the trend I saw, and then all of a sudden it hit 19 billion. Now, if we take a look at the historical data, you can see here that the volume has been at 5 billion, 9 billion, now 11 billion. If we can see 20 billion again, we can definitely see Shiba Inu Coin double, and that would be absolutely beautiful. Now, we have broken through this resistance of the 21 level. The next resistance that we are going to see is the 35 level. So that is over basically 33% increase from here as well. Or I believe it's, oh no, actually it's a 50% increase from here. So really the short-term resistance that we see is at this 24 level, which we are actually about to break. Long-term resistance, obviously, the 35 level, which would be another 50% in gains. But yeah, that is pretty much going to be it for today's kind of analysis on Shiba Inu Coin. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy, please leave a like, subscribe, and comment on this video. If we get 100 likes on this video, then we'll do another Shiba Inu Coin video tomorrow. If not, we'll do some other cryptocurrency. But thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Zach, and I hope to see you in the next video.